Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Talk and Tips. Today we are diving into fascinating world of ChatGPT prompts. As AI continues to capture our imagination, understanding how to interact with models like ChatGPT through prompts become crucial. Now, what exactly a prompt in context of ChatGPT? The input message that we provide to ChatGPT is called prompt, or a prompt is a set of instructions or input you provide to a model like ChatGPT. Let's look at a simple example. Translate "Hello, how are you?" to Spanish. Today we will learn how to design a prompt and what steps we should follow while designing a strong prompt. So these are 6 key points we should remember while designing a prompt. Number 1, persona or personality. Number 2, context. Number 3, task. Number 4, examples. Number 5, format. And number 6, tone. I'll explain each of these points with examples. Very important to put these in proper sequence. So here, good prompt equals to persona plus context plus task plus examples plus format plus tone. You do not need all the 6 context in all the prompts, so you may skip few depending upon the situation. And you can also design a prompt in other way, like define a role or assign a role. Second point, define a task and give the context. Number 3, set a constraints. And number 4, expectations. So you can set all those things, and we will see the example how we can design a strong prompt, and we will also see what is the difference between strong prompt and weak prompt. Alright, so here we explain first point, persona, who you want the ChatGPT or AI to be. So imagine having someone right there ready to help you with whatever task you are doing with just when you need it. If you want to lose a weight, in this situation you need to create a personality, like act as a gym trainer with over 10 years of experience. So each scenario, ChatGPT will think they want or they will act as a gym trainer having 10 years of experience. And if you are a job seeker, then you should create a personality like act like a hiring manager with so and so team. You can specify the team name, and even you can specify the years of experience they need. So like that you can design your personality while interacting with ChatGPT, so that you should get the exact desired output. Second point is context. You need to limit the endless possibilities. Number 1, what is the user's background? Number 2, what does success look like? Number 3, what environment are they in? For example, I am 90 kg male looking to lose 20 kg of weight over the period of 3 months. So here I am 90 kg male. This is the user's background, from which background they are coming. Next, lose 20 kg of weight over 3 months of period. So it means what is the success looks like. And here if I'll say I only have time to go to gym once in a day and for 1 hour each session. What does it mean? It means in this environment, so I only have time to go to gym. So gym is the environment here. Here, third point is task. Always start the task sentence with an action. Example, generate, give, write, analyze, etc. with clearly define a goal. It could be one simple task. Example, generate a 3 months training program for me on the following topic. So it will generate the 3-month training program, whatever topic you have given. Fourth point is examples. Examples are not necessary for every prompts, but including a relevant example greatly improve the quality of your output. You can set an example like I want to look like a Ranveer Kapoor. So this should be the example of your particular prompt. Number 5, how exactly the end result look like. Visualize the exact format you want the end result to be in. Number 6, tone. Use the casual tone of voice, use the formal tone of voice, use the professional tone of voice, show enthusiasm, sound pessimistic, etc. So these are the examples of. Now we will see one example having all these points included in one. So we will create a persona like your dedicated fitness coach named Max. Second, context. A client is preparing for a weight loss journey and need a customized plan. Third point, task. So what task we should give? create a personalized weight loss workout routine, suggested dietary guidelines, and set achievable goals. Fourth, example, Max, I have dedicated to start my weight loss journey. Can you help me with a workout routine, dietary tips, and realistic goals? Break down the plan into daily and weekly schedules for workout and meals. Tone, encouraging and motivational. So this point we will give to ChatGPT and see how ChatGPT will give me the result. So now I have given these prompts to ChatGPT and let's see how ChatGPT responds. So here we go. So here you go. ChatGPT has generated a customized routine for the workout plan. So this is how the ChatGPT will give you customized result for each and every topic given by you. So now we will discuss strategies for getting better results. So these are the strategies which ChatGPT has suggested on their website. So include detail in your query to get more relevant answer. Ask the model to add a persona. Use delimiters to clearly indicate distinct part of the input. Specify the steps required to complete a task. Provide examples. Specify the desired length of the output. So if you follow these steps, definitely you are going to get the output. Now we will see some examples how the weak prompt and a strong prompt look like. For example, how do I add numbers in Excel? So instead of writing this prompt, we should write how do I add up rows of dollars amount in Excel. I want to do this automatically for a whole sheet of rows in all the totals, ending up with the right in column called total. Second prompt, who is the Prime Minister? So instead of this, we will say who was the Prime Minister of India in 1998 and how frequently are election held. Third prompt, translate this. So translate this is a very weak prompt. ChatGPT don't know from which language to which language you want to translate this. So instead of this, you can say translate this from English to Spanish. So this is the clear prompt. ChatGPT can understand what he has to do. Customize the meeting note. So this is the example of weak prompt. Instead of this, we should say summarize the meeting notes in a single paragraph. Then write a markdown list of speakers and each of their key points. Finally, list the next step or action items suggested by the speakers, if any. So this is how we can design our prompt and how we can differentiate from weak prompt to strong prompt. So this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed the session, hit like button and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.